Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. As I already showed you, a tantric item is Hatha Jodi. I already told you that Hatha Jodi is a form of goddess Chamundi. People believe it as goddess Chamundi. While we are doing puja for it, we have to keep that Hatha Jodi in a silver box and do proper pujas without sprinkling water on it, because it is a plant, and that means it is made of wood. It is like wood, so we should not sprinkle water on it, and let remaining pujas, means remaining performance of prayers, etc., can be done properly. And I told about it already. Now I would like to introduce you another one. It is Dakshinavruta Senka. Dakshinavruta Senka. That means it revolves southern way. When we keep that Shenka, it turns to southern way, southern side. So that it is called like Dakshinavruta Shenka. When one keeps Dakshinavruta Shenka in a house, it is just like Akshaya Patra. And moreover, if we do puja, that means Abhishekam to God with that Dakshinavruta Shenka, we get more benefits, and it is also creates positive energy in the home. So the Dakshinavruta Shenka is very famous all over the world, especially in India. So many people try to buy it and keep in their houses. And there is also a little mantra while doing puja to Dakshinavruta Shenka. Just it's a very little mantra, or even if you need not to read that mantra, just keeping it and doing puja and using water, bathing that Dakshinavruta Shenka, and wearing, means sticking tilak dharana, etc. Dhupa, Deepa, Naivedya, like that. It creates more power, more positive power in the house, and it is like just like Akshaya Patra means never we say no for anything in the house, whether it is money, whether it is health, whether it is problems. We don't get any problems. We don't get any problem with money, lack of money, or lack of our food, bread, living bread. So it is better to keep Dakshinavata Shanka in any house. I will show you the Dakshinavata Shanka today. This is called Dakshinavata Shanka. See here how it's like. This is Dakshinavata Shanka. We have to fill the water in it, and do Abhishekam like this, and we get it near or near oceans, near seas, etc. It's better to. It is better to keep this Dakshinavata Shanka. Dakshinavata Shanka. So see once again, this is the Dakshinavata Shanka, and it is just like this. And if we for this keep this Dakshinavata Shanka in your home, sure one will get abundant wealth, health, and etc. Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat.